All right, so this video is for anybody. Like I said, we had a problem today, didn't we?
Yeah.
We had a problem today. So the problem that we had today was with an ideal boiler. So this video is going to be entitled how to obviously solve the problems, an L2 error message on an ideal boiler. The boiler in question was an Ideal Esprit ECO2 boiler. And obviously we had it in a place and it was stopped working and we couldn't figure it out. It was got an L2 boiler, right? And we came in first, and a lot of videos on YouTube show the gas igniter, which is this bit here, which we sort of went and changed. But that was like 20 something pounds, but that didn't solve the problem. So in the end, I spoke to a friend of mine, gas engineer, blah, blah, blah. And he said to us, yo, we need to change the, I don't know what this is. It's probably like it's the condenser trap. So this sits here. So, and then obviously it's connected by a hose to the top. The hose is right here. Yeah. So if you have an issue with your boiler and it's saying, we were trying to light the other one and the blue burner light was coming on and going off. It just wouldn't start, kept coming up with an L2 error message. If you haven't changed your first couple of things I'd say to check, and obviously this is probably going to be the easiest one, is your condenser trap that sits here. Because the one that we had earlier, there's a whole lot of crap sitting in the bottom. This is obviously going to be the easiest solder and the free solder, which you sort of suggest you try this first. So all you need to do is get this, detach it from obviously the hose, and it's a pretty straightforward detachment. There's just a hose that sits on top. You take it off, then there's usually some gunk sitting in the bottom. You get it, wash it out, and replace it. And yeah, that should probably be it. So that's what we did. So obviously what we did earlier, we replaced this one first, just by referring to YouTube, and that didn't solve the problem. So it was the condenser thing, yeah? So this video is going to be entitled, obviously, L2 error message on an ideal boiler. This is probably the first thing that you should try to obviously solve the problem. Like I said, once you detach it, turn your boiler off, obviously disconnect it from the main. Then obviously you'll see the whole of gunk in here. Disconnect the thing, put it under the tap, fill it up like this. And then obviously like this, and you shake it out, and water will come out. You'll shake it out, and there's some stuff that all the gunk that was in there came out here. So just shake it out, shake the gunk out. Once you get it out, give it a good little wash out, give it a shake rinse, and then stick it back in. Reset your boiler and restart. And yeah, that was the solution for us today. So like I said, I just felt we had to post this video as well, but just in case somebody has the same problem. And we'll obviously title this video accordingly as well, yeah? So, like I said, hopefully this works for you. If not, just give us a thumbs up, give us a like, and we'll be back in business again, yeah? Cool.